Welcome back to Kim's Creations. I am going to do another couple of minimalist blooms. I am just setting out the colors that I'm going to be using in, I think it's just two 6x6 tiles that I'm doing here. And I am trying to get something similar to that particular tile that I did. I can tell you right now, it doesn't exactly happen, but it was fun to try. I got completely different results with these, and I really like them too, but they are very different from the first one that I tried. So have a look-see. Let me know what you guys think of these two tiles in the description below. And thank you as always for stopping by my channel and watching what I have to put out. So now that I've used the hairdryer to blow this one out and give it that softer look, while I'm just waiting for that center to come back in, I'm scooping up the paint that's gone off the sides of the tile and just using it as a flow extender on those corners, just to help that paint flow better once I start to spin it out. And here I'm just using my straw to help thin out that black CA in the center there, help it sink down through the other colors, and you'll see the cells start to form there as I'm giving those areas a little puff. And from here till the finished piece, I am just giving this tile a gentle spin to see how the paint spreads out and how those cells open up in the middle. And I'll be scraping the edges and spinning again. So I'm going to speed this up from here. And now we have the final piece, or the finished piece, I should say here, with the close-ups. And now I'm getting started on my second tile. Again, trying to keep the bloom part of it pretty condensed. Not completely condensed, because I do want to get some cool patterns like I did on the last one. I just don't want the bloom covering the whole tile. So you'll get to see how this one turns out. So here I'm just adding a tiny bit of black cell activator. It's Amsterdam's Lamp Black with Aussie Floetrol mixed 3:1, and it's just a tiny little dot. And next what you're going to see me do is I'm going to blow with my mouth that center and just try and spread it out a little bit before I grab my hair dryer to blow the rest of it out. It just gives the hair dryer more of a chance to grab a hold of the cell activator and do something with it. So, and I'm loving how this is blowing out, and it went kind of east to west or side to side as opposed to in a circle, which makes this one very different. So now I've grabbed my straw to try and disperse some of that CA, and as you can see right there, I blew those two parts, look like bunny ears. I blew too hard and went down the paint through to the pillow paint, so that was a bit unfortunate, but these things happen. And from here, I just spread the paint out to the edges. I spin it, I pop bubbles, I scrape the paint that has gone over and spin it some more. So I'm just going to fast forward through all this till we get to the end results of this tile. And this here is my third and final piece. And as you can see, I did one previously on this tile. I didn't like it, so I scraped it all into the middle, and I am starting again. So as you can see, I just put down a tiny bit of cell activator, and again, I'm just spreading it out with my mouth, blowing it out before I get my Yeeho little pink hair dryer out to blow it to smithereens. And as you can see here, I'm having trouble with the hair dryer getting that cell activator to flow over the paint that's on there, and I just ended up using my mouth to do it. And I think I had that trouble on all three of the tiles. Just goes to show it's all in the angle of the blowing. And again, I'm just bringing in the straw to help distribute some of that cell activator a little bit more and create more cells in the middle. And here, as I was waiting for the cells to come in, I did put flow extender around the colors, pop bubbles, and now I am just obviously spinning it out a little bit and spreading out some of that paint. And here we are with the final result of the third tile. I'm going to show you some close-ups of it. So thank you so much for watching. As always, appreciate you being here. And if you liked what you saw, please consider giving it a thumbs up. And if you are a new viewer, please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. The next time I upload a video, you will be notified. All right, thanks for watching. Till the next time, bye for now.